Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create our business idea generator template from scratch. This is a very useful tool, and if you want to see what it does, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Next, we'll add the prompt component. This is where you'll define the instructions for the generator. The prompt is designed to create a unique business idea based on the user's input, taking into account factors like market demand, industry trends, and innovation. The prompt example is provided in the description below and is also displayed on the screen for you to copy and modify as needed. After setting up the prompt component, don't forget to add chat memory. This feature ensures the chatbot retains the user's preferences during the session, so the generated business idea will remain consistent even if additional inputs are given later. Next, we'll connect the prompt component to a text generator. This enables the flow to produce a creative and viable business idea. Finally, link the prompt to the output, completing the setup and allowing the user to review and retrieve their generated idea. And there you have it. We've successfully created the business idea generator template. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this flow, feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments section below.